Hi, I'm Arthur.
And I am John.
And my topic is video games, good or bad?
My topic is, should kids play football? Kids shouldn't play football with all the danger in it. A lot of kids suffer brain injuries from hard hits that can be really bad. They can die from it too if it's really, really bad. And the most common injury is breaking a bone, like the arm, leg, knee, elbow, and shoulder. All this stress can make kids do bad in school and not focus on school, just football. Football can also slow down learning, by the brain being messed up on short memory and cause short-term memory. Most kids also tear muscles and tissues. Football slows down learning. That can affect you in school. You won't be able to think fast enough. And you can cause anger and will make you more aggressive, and that will lead to hurting people or getting hurt. You could get into serious trouble. It also abused because your coach can be hurting you by forcing you to hit harder. And you will be in pain for a couple of days or even weeks or months. And get concussions, not knowing. Find out you're late and your head will hurt a lot. Some kids and also teenagers die from getting hit so hard their brain stops working. It can also cause depression that can slow down the body and make them really hurt. It can't be healed and cause them a lot of pain. Even NFL players don't let their kids play football. It's so dangerous. If you want that worth the risk to die or get hurt, break something, not be able to do anything else, so it's your idea. Do you want the risk of these things happening to you? It's your choice. I'm a football player, and it is dangerous. This is why you shouldn't play football if you're young.
Personally, I think that video games are pretty helpful. They even use them in the military. The good thing about video games is that they can teach many real-life lessons, from hand-eye coordination all the way down to attention skills. These are very important for down the road when players are in a situation where they desperately need to remember these lessons. Despite the fact that they can encourage young, irresponsible kids to do wrong or violent things, they can still teach helpful things and life lessons. I myself am a gamer, and I agree with the fact that kids can improve hearing and sight. There's a special company that makes special glasses called Gunners that will help you see better by reducing glare. I use them myself. These special glasses will eventually train you to see better even without the glasses. Yellow tinted sunglasses also have the same effect that Gunners do. Games like Call of Duty Ghosts and Battlefield 4 require awareness and attention, or you will get shot or sniped because you are distracted or not paying attention. But let's be honest, no one gets bored of Call of Duty or Battlefield. There are companies that make special headsets for gamers like me, like Astro and Turtle Beach. Games like Medal of Honor, Call of Duty, or Battlefield require you to be aware of all your surroundings by both sight and sound in order to get a good score. Headsets that are some of the best, like Astro and Turtle Beach, allow you to hear footsteps around you and distant gunfire. This is important because one footstep or shot can save your teammate's life or even yours. And you can have the upper hand on obnoxious people on the edge of the map sniping other people. My final thought is that special controller modifications can make the game handle differently. There's a company that makes these special things called Control Freaks that attach to the joysticks of an Xbox controller or a PlayStation controller that will help you improve accuracy. Thanks for watching. Bye!